Hey guys, welcome to the another brand new episode, and today's video we'll talk about µTorrent. Basically, µTorrent is all kinds of app. Using this app, you can easily download movies, games, songs, software, etc. µTorrent is the number one torrent downloader in Google Play Store, over 100 million downloads. And today's video, I'll show you how can you easily download movies, games, songs, software on µTorrent. So let's begin. To download µTorrent app, you have to first go on Google Play Store. So here we are on Google Play Store. Now let's hit on search button and search for µTorrent. After that you will find the µTorrent app. So here the µTorrent apps. Now let's install it in our phone. And it's downloading. After downloading, we will install it in our phone. We just successfully installed µTorrent apps on our phone. Now let's open it. µTorrent needs some permission to work properly, so let's give the access. So here the dashboard of µTorrent app. In the left side, you can find these kinds of features. It's music library, video library, and etc. On the right side, you can find the manual input bar and also the search button. Now let's download a song from µTorrent. To download a movies, games or song, you have to first go on a torrent site. There are lots of torrent sites in the internet. In this case, we'll use catcr.co. So let's go to our phone web browser. In this case, we'll use Firefox browser. So we just open our Firefox browser and just input the search button and give the address. So here the address catcr.co. So here we are on catcr.co. Now search anything you want to download. We'll search for Taylor Swift song. Let's search it. There are lots of results found after searching. Just click a link and download your files. So here we are go. Just click on download icon and it's already started downloading. Yes guys, that's the simple things about µTorrent. We just downloaded our song from µTorrent. Now let's play it. To play this song, just push the play button and our song started playing. We can also play this song background in our phone. Just push the back button and it's playing on background in our phone. So that's the end of the today's video guys. Hope you guys will like it. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, be happy, be you.